I haven't fed them yet. I haven't given them the breakfast. I'm mixed up. I'm ready. And I've mixed my corn up when I'm giving them. So it won't be long. It's at the moment it's 6:30 in the morning. I mean I was going to fly them out. I did last week and the week before. I gave them a short fly on the morning, but I just thought today they had a really good fit. I mean, I gave them a 30-mile toss yesterday morning, and they had an hour and a half, well, an hour and 10 minutes flight last night. So I mean I don't want to fly them again and take more steam out of them. I think I took enough steam out of them yesterday. So what I'll do is I'll give them some breakfast. Won't be much, just enough to keep them going. Give them a little brekkie. Like you see, they won't get much. A third of one of these, and that's enough. It's enough to give them. So now they'll clear that off and hopefully get a good drink of the electrolytes. Morning everyone who gets a chance to see this morning. We're at Worksop this morning, 97 miles. I sent 36 birds. They were up at 20 to 7 and it's now 10 to 8. We're looking at about in between 8:15 and 8:30. Ideally I'd like to get one around about 8:20. Weather's not too keen. It's come over black cloudy, southwest wind, but the rain clouds is coming over. My friend from 16 miles south of us has rung us and he's raining, so they've got to come through some rain to get back. So I don't think we're going to get early birds back. There's a good chance that they could come round it, but if it luck it'll blow over. So they're due back in about 20 minutes. I'll bring you back later on. I didn't get a chance to do the trapping at the marking yesterday and catching the birds up and taking them over and marking them at the marking centre. I had to babysit my grandchildren and unfortunately McDonald's was calling, but I'll definitely get on it for next week because I'm free next week. Until later on. Watch your food.